Bonnet Babe here. Bonnet Babe Jr. right here. Just watching a DIY video. So today I had this open because that's where I put y'all sometimes, right up in there, for angles. But I found this lighting and I was like, let me do this intro over. So let me tell you what is actually going on today. Let me tell you why I look so crusty and dizzy. Today is my Sunday. It's actually Saturday, but my week starts on Sundays for work. So today I have been doing nothing but cleaning and organizing and doing hair and just trying to get everything situated. I had to clean my office space and everything like that. So yeah, it is currently 6 o'clock. I'm waiting for Bae to come back to bring us dinner and everything like that. That had nothing to do with this video, but I just needed to explain why I look the way I look, okay? I'm gonna get it together one of these days. Now, this lady here is gonna be learning how to bake cookies. So we're just gonna do these, something easy, something simple, something quick, because I just don't have the time, okay? So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna let her put them on our baking sheet here, which has been already oiled, and there is some foil on top, just because I don't want my cookies to stick. So I'm gonna find a place to put y'all, and then I'm gonna wash her hands, and we're gonna get into this video. So, oh, also I have my tea back there. Y'all, I have been drinking tea like it's no tomorrow, okay? So this is the one that I have here. It's the Lipton green tea decaf. I made a mistake and actually picked this up. I didn't know it was decaffeinated, but however, I actually like it. It actually is really, really good. And there's no calories per serving, which is great. The audacity of you while I'm talking. Anyway, I also have this Lipton green tea. It is purple acai blueberry, which is also really good. It's kind of, that one is actually kind of like really plain. And so that means I don't have to add a lot of sugar. I mean, not sugar, a lot of honey. And I just rather not do that. So I've been drinking the best out of this one. I squeezed some lemon, a little bit of lime, a little bit of honey, and there you go. So I've been drinking that a lot. I don't know what I was saying, but I'm about to find an angle to put y'all up so we can get these cookies done, so I can get this video edited, and I will see y'all after the intro.